Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create this amazing Christmas poster design in Illustrator. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Go to the rectangle tool and create a shape around the artboard. Open the gradient panel. I have these colors for gradient. Select the eyedropper tool and apply the colors to it. Follow my gradient settings. Press G to adjust its gradient. Go to the Object menu and lock the background or press Ctrl+2. Go to the Type tool and type your text. And adjust its size. Change its case to upper. Double-click on it to change the font. Here I am using the Poppins black font. And adjust its size. And do the center align. Right-click on it and choose Create Outlines. Now, go to the Rectangle tool and draw a vertical rectangular long bar with the size letter M width. Hold the Alt key to create a copy of it. And adjust its width size according to letter. And do the same with other letters. Select all, go to the Pathfinder panel, and click on the Unite button. Go to the Object menu, Compound Path, and Make, or press Ctrl+8. Go to the File menu and click on Place, select your image and place it. Right-click on it, arrange and send it backward. Select both, go to the Object menu, Clipping Mask, and Make or press Ctrl+7. Double-click on it to adjust image size. I have these elements, which I downloaded from the free pick. Link of the website is mentioned in the description. Press Ctrl+C to copy it. Then press Ctrl+V to paste it. And place it here. Follow me to paste the other elements. Go to the Type tool and type the other text. Follow my text settings here. Open the Appearance panel. If it's not there, bring it from the Window menu. Add new fill to it. And follow my gradient settings. Press Ctrl+T. Hold the Alt key, and create a copy of it, and type your quote. Go to the Line tool, and create a straight line. Go to the Rectangle tool, and create a shape. Change its fill to outline. Now let's create lightning bulb. Follow me. And place it here. Hold the Shift key, and select both. Then, hold the Alt key to create a copy of it. Go to Reflect tool, and hit Enter. Use these settings, and hit OK. Go to the rectangle tool and create a shape. Change its color to light gray. Go to the transparency panel and change its blend mode to overlay. And decrease its opacity to 20%. Go to the edit menu and click on cut. Double-click on it, then paste it in front. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.